Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into FreshBooks, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your web browser. In the address bar, type in www.freshbooks.com and press enter. Once the FreshBooks homepage loads, locate the login button. The login button is usually found in the top right corner. Click on the login button. You will be directed to the login page. Here, you need to enter your email address. Make sure to use the email associated with your FreshBooks account. Next, enter your password in the designated field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will take you to a password recovery page. Enter your email address again to receive a password reset link. Check your email inbox for the password reset email. Follow the instructions provided in that email to create a new password. Once you have your password ready, return to the login page. Input your email address and new password in the respective fields. After entering your credentials, click the Login button. You should now be logged into your FreshBooks account. If you encounter any issues, double-check your email and password for accuracy. If problems persist, consider clearing your browser's cache or trying a different browser. Congratulations, you are now ready to use FreshBooks for your accounting needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.